Yeah, man. Rich nigga shit. Part 1. Rich nigga shit part 1. In fucking North Carolina. I'm Burger Crab, man. You already know where I be, man. I'm in Smooth. Well, since we talking about this rich nigga shit, let's get on it, man. You already know. The watch is crazy. Oh, man. The watch is crazy. Don't let it blind you. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Crazy. This is just a little bit, man. Look at the bathroom, man. Bathroom, man. I mean, I don't know. Tell y'all niggas, man. This is just what us rich niggas do. But yeah, stop talking right now and get on that shit.